3 billion years ago, water carved its path across a world that should have been dead. Rivers sliced through valleys. Lakes filled deep craters. Rain may have fallen from the sky, gentle at first, then fierce. That world was Mars. Today, we see only red dust, frozen plains, and silence. But silence is not emptiness. Silence is waiting. NASA didn't send rovers to stare at rocks. It went to ask a question that could shatter everything we think we know. What if we weren't the first life in the solar system? When the first orbiters mapped Mars, scientists saw what should have been impossible channels shaped not by cracks, not by lava, but by flowing water. Rovers later confirmed it. Layers of sediment, rounded pebbles, minerals that only form in liquid. Mars wasn't always red. It was once blue, a twin to Earth in its youth. Two planets side by side with diverging fates. One thrived, teeming with life. The other changed. And that change would teach us a lesson more terrifying than any disaster movie. Mars once had a shield, a magnetic field that protected its atmosphere from the sun's relentless fury. But Mars is smaller than Earth. Its core cooled faster, and that shield died. With nothing to block them, solar winds stripped away the air, the water evaporated or froze, and the planet slowly suffocated. Mars didn't explode. It faded. It died quietly, teaching us that worlds can fall apart naturally, that life is fragile, and that even planets are not immune to the slow cruelty of time. Yet even in death, Mars holds secrets. NASA's Perseverance rover landed in Jezero Crater, a place that was once a lake precisely because it could hide clues to an ancient past. It drills into rock, collects samples, and seals them for future missions to bring home. Humanity is preparing, for the first time in history, to carry pieces of another world into our hands. Rocks remember. If microbial life ever existed, its chemical fingerprints could still lie hidden, trapped in stone for billions of years. Mars may not speak, but it records everything. And Mars is not dead. InSight, the lander, listens to Marsquakes, revealing a heartbeat beneath the surface. The planet moves, shifts, and cools, slow but undeniable. Ingenuity, the tiny helicopter, defies expectations, flying above terrain that was once thought impossible to traverse. Mars is teaching us, showing us that exploration is not just about survival. It is about daring to dream in places where nothing seems alive. Mars is not just a destination. It is a warning, a mirror, a reminder of what Earth could become. It shows us that life doesn't require perfection, only opportunity. And yet, in its faded rivers and empty lakes, Mars offers hope. For the first time, a species born on one planet is reaching out to understand another. We are listening to a planet that waited billions of years for our arrival. Mars isn't silent. It has been waiting, recording, moving, and whispering its story to anyone willing to hear. And now, for the first time, humanity is finally listening. Every grain of Martian dust tells a story of rivers that ran, skies that rained, and life that may have once been. Every tremor under its surface is proof that this world, long thought lifeless, still breathes. Mars is more than a red dot in the sky. It is a testament to possibility, a warning of fragility, and a challenge for us to see beyond our own world. Life is not about certainty. It is about seizing the chance to exist. And in reaching for Mars, we are reaching for the answers to questions that define us. Mars waits, and we are listening.